Okay. So morning I was discussing about skew symmetric matrix of odd order that is zero. I gave some explanation. I did not give enough time to copy it. I can write once again. Let n be an odd natural number comma a be a skew symmetric matrix of order n by n. Okay, I'm just reading it also if somebody is not able to read this. Let n be an odd natural number, a be a skew symmetric matrix of order n by n. Then we know A transpose equal to minus A. I'll apply det on both sides. Determinant of A transpose is det of minus A. Determinant of A transpose is same as det A. This I am writing minus 1 whole power n into det A. Why I am writing this is, all of you know determinant of Ka is k power n into det A. Because in a matrix multiplication, Ka means each and every element will multiply with k. But when I take det, in each row k will come common, like that will come common n times. That's why it is k power n into det. We discussed about that formula. Like that, when is minus a means the whole matrix, each and every element is multiplied with minus. I can take minus common in first row, minus common in second row, minus common in third row, like that I'll get n times common. If it is even number, I don't have any problem. It will be positive. Det A equal to det A, I'll not get anything useful. But because it is odd number, minus 1 whole power odd number is minus 1 only into det A. When I bring this side, det A plus det A is 0, 2 det A equal to 0, det A equal to 0. So with this method, not only I am proving for 3 by 3, even 5 by 5, 7 by 7, 9 by 9, or 101 by 101, any big matrix with odd order skew symmetric matrix, that is 0. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So morning, if somebody could not copy, or here if you did not try to know the reason, you can copy it. If you have not understood any part of it, please tell me. Okay, what is this point number? This skew symmetric matrix that we discussed.
15 points, sir.
So next will be 16. Next will be 16, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, for even order, that need not be 0. I'll just write a little bit even in this point only. Let's say if I take 0, A minus A, 0. This is a skew symmetric matrix, but even order. You see what is coming, that 0 square minus A into minus A, it is coming A square. That need not be 0, right? Let us take a 4 by 4. Even though 4 by 4 we don't deal with it, we'll get an idea. 0, A, B, C. Minus A, 0, C, D. Minus B, minus C, 0, E. Minus C, minus D, minus C, 0. Earlier, I gave you some idea about how to expand a 3 by 3 determinant. Based on that, try to find this answer. Even it takes time, that will do it.
So should we do that in classwork, sir?
No, in the class notes only. After this, you just write these two things. Oh, this whole thing everybody wrote in the class notes, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mrudula, are you there in the class? MBSS Mrudula.
Sir,
Yes, please, Shanmukh.
how did you get from A transpose to A, sir?
Yo, that's one of the property that A transpose and A will have same determinant.
Yes, sir, yes.
Whenever two matrices are equal, their determinant also equal. That is the step. From here to here, A transpose A will have same determinant. From here to here, based on this formula. And then minus 1 whole power odd number is a minus. A number equal to negative of itself. And I brought this side number plus number equal to 0. 2 times a number is 0, so the number must be 0.
Sir, down examples in 15th point only, sir.
These are 15th only. These are 15th. So this one, I have to write 0 into 1 3 by 3 determinant. I don't have to write it because anyway it is 0, but still 0 CD minus C 0 E minus T minus C 0 minus A into the next 3 by 3. Forget about this. Minus A CD minus B 0 E minus C minus C 0 plus B into, forget about this and this, minus A 0 D minus B minus C minus D. Minus C minus D 0 plus C into minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0 minus C minus D minus C. Okay, so this is 0, I don't have to write. This one, this into 0 plus E square minus A square is minus A is okay. What about C into minus C into 0 plus C? So plus C square E. Minus C square. Next D into B dB. Here minus A into this is 0. This is D plus D minus AD. 0 into negative 0 D into plus BD square minus DC square. Next C into C into this is KCE minus KCE. 0 into anything, 0. Yes.
In plus B minus ADE plus BD square plus DC square.
This into this is BD, this into this is minus into minus into minus is minus C square only, no?
Sir, in the third matrix, it is plus C.
Oh, first of all, C is plus C, yeah? In the third matrix. Why this? This is this minus C, na? Minus C only, correct only, na?
Yes, sir, yes.
Oh.
Sir, in BD square plus means DC square also plus means.
No. This product is BD. This product is minus. This into this minus this into this, na?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
The coefficient of the fourth matrix should be minus in notion.
In which one? Last one, na?
Upper step. Sir.
This is minus. Thank you. Thank you.
Coefficient.
Yes, you are right. Thank you. Thank you, Samit.
Sir, you should say the answer.
Just 1 minute. Let me finish. Then you just look at the board and tell me whether I wrote correct or any mistake. Okay. This is C into BD. C BD and minus C. Okay. What I'm getting at then A square E square plus A C square E minus ABB minus BAD plus B square D square minus BD C square plus A C square E minus C square B plus C power 4. Anyway, the last one you should write outside minus. Okay. Now these two are same. And this together is a perfect square. I can write AE minus BD whole square. What are the others? These two are same, these are same, these are same. In that, I can get C square common. I'll get a 2AE minus 2BD plus this square. Am I wrong with any minus something?
So is it minus DC square or plus DC square?
DC square, where is that? Where is DC square?
Both B.
Last
B.
one and the first line.
Okay, let me see. That's correct only, na? Because D into what is this determinant? BD minus C square. Am I right?
So how is it minus C square? Can you explain?
Oh, only this 2 by 2. What will you write? This into this is BD minus of this into this, which is minus C square, na?
Okay, sir.
So these type of questions won't come in exams, na sir?
Yeah, at least this 4 by 4 they don't ask determinant, but I just wanted to show it will not come 0. Only for odd order only it will come 0. For even order also we want to have an idea of what is coming. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
But if they want to give, nothing wrong, they can give also. They never gave, of course. I want rest of the terms to be some perfect square. Can I make it? These two are not getting cancelled, they're getting added up.
Sir, once can you check that one, sir? I think they both will cancel.
Which one?
Square, that one.
This one, no? Okay. Let me check that. Here, what did I get? This is 0. I'm coming to this side. So minus A is fine. Coming to this part, minus A into 0 plus E square. That is minus A square. Minus C into 0 plus C. Okay, this part, okay, minus C into 0 plus C. So this is correct. This is wrong. So this is plus, this is also plus also. And D into B positive, that is also positive. Coming to this AC is very came from this. So minus C into very first one is this into this into this is negative only, which is minus positive. This into this is positive, but this is also positive. No, I cannot change this. That's the first one, but this is plus AC and 0 plus C. This plus. Okay, everything is plus, nothing to worry about this. Okay, let us add these two. 2AC square E. And which one I left with? This and this.
Minus 2BD square.
Minus 2BD C square. Plus C power. Okay.
We can take C square common. Like that.
Yeah.
We can do.
Yes. AE minus BD whole square and C square common. 2AE minus 2BD plus C square. It's okay, nothing great deal. AE and BD will come back. Okay, I'm not trying to teach anything through this question. I just want to see when you expand what happens. Okay. So don't worry about what is the answer. It is not 0. That is the main point. Only skew symmetric matrix of 3 by 3, 5 by 5, 7 by 7 is 0. 2 by 2 as in simple A square. 4 by 4 came something like this. I was expecting it will come sum of many perfect squares. Only this part I did not get. Maybe I can rearrange it and write it as perfect square. For example, this I can combine and write AE minus C square whole square, and this another C square may be required. Just a minute. AE minus C square whole square. What I would have got? A square E square I would have used. 2 power 4 minus 2A. Okay, plus C square. Then I would have not used minus 2ABD. This one. One would have come here, one would have come there. Okay, leave it, it's not a good issue. Okay, so that's when, yeah, 16th point.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, in that last second equation, we can take 2A common, sorry, 2C square common, sir. Then we'll get AE minus BD whole square plus 2C square into AE minus BD plus C square whole square, sir. Then we'll get AE minus BD plus C whole square, no, sir.
So you are getting this total is a perfect square. AE
Yes, sir.
minus BD plus C square whole square. Actually, I was looking for this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me see. When I have 6 terms, first of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the 2 are same. Oh, that will be end up with 7. And okay, just a minute. This is one perfect square. This is one perfect square. This is one perfect square. That will come. Yeah, I'm looking for that. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, what you wrote is fine, but I'll just rearrange in a different way. Okay. What is that? I have A square, E square is AE whole square. So I will not combine like this. I can combine which two are same.
Sir, from the last second equation, I got it, sir.
Yeah, understood. But even before that, I want to show you it is like x square plus y square plus z square minus 2xy minus 2yz plus 2zx, something like that. So this is AE whole square. This is BD whole square. and this is c square whole square. Yes. Next, here ac square e and this together, I can write 2ac square e, and this together is minus 2abd, which is this, and then this and this is minus 2bd c square, that is this. Okay. Further, ae whole square plus bd whole square plus c square whole square. This is 2 into ac into c. No, ae into c square. This is 2 into ae into bd. This is minus 2 bd into c square. Because I got two negatives, for bd I have to put a negative. So it will be ae minus bd plus c square whole square. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2z. Yeah, I was looking for a perfect square, so it is that. And if I'm looking at a pattern A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, F. No, A, B, C, D, F. We did not write F anywhere in the question, original question. 0, A, B, C. 0, 0, D. 0, 0, F. A, B, C.
Sir, F was not there.
Not there in the question, sir.
There in the question or not there?
Not there, sir.
Not there, sir.
We wrote C,
What
C
happened
two
to us?
times, sir.
I wrote it by mistake. Oh, sorry. 0, A, B, C. What did I write second row?
Sir, C, D,
minus CD, sir.
Minus A, 0,
0, CD.
C, D.
Oh, achha. Okay. If I had written there properly, I would have got. Sorry, I did not realize that while writing. Okay, it's okay, not a problem. We got a perfect square. I'll just try to answer for the actual one that is expected to come. Let me just do it. 0, A, B, C. 0, G, not 0, sorry. Minus A, 0, B, E. And minus B, minus D, 0, F. And minus C, minus E, minus F, 0. This is what I wanted to give. Just for pattern. Okay, anyway, I would what answer would have come there is AE. So that where A, B, C, C, D, I wrote. Okay, AE means I would have got AF actually. And BD means I would have got BE. And the C square I would have got is CD. Okay, if I had taken correctly, I would have got AF minus BE plus CD whole square. It's okay. This is also a perfect square. That's good. Okay, so my point is so that at least it stay in your mind that skew symmetric matrix of even order is not 0 and it is actually a perfect square. 2 by 2 we got A square. For 4 by 4 we got this perfect square for the given taken one, but if you take A, B, C, D, E, F, you would have got like that. Okay, so that will stay in your mind. That's the only reason. Okay, I can erase this whole thing, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No, thank you, Sakiti, for reminding me that. Otherwise, I was just thinking about I want a perfect square. Moni, if possible, can you do one small help?
Yes, sir.
For this correct one, which I wanted to write, for that, can you write a solution in your notes? Leave enough space, less, and later on fill it.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
Okay, thank you. Answer should sound somewhat like this, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to erase this whole thing. Okay, what you said, 16 point, right? Homework doubts, sir?
Sir, yes, sir.
If the homework doubts, I'll discuss after a while. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just I'll finish this point. I'll discuss your doubts and then come back to doing some problems. Maybe we'll see. Okay, 16th point is a very small point. Determinant of any triangular matrix. Any triangular matrix is a product of diagonal elements. Product of diagonal elements. Whether it is upper triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix. For example, if I have, let us say 3 by 3 determinant, 0, A, B, no, this should not be 0. Okay, let us say A, B, C, 0, D, E, 0, 0, F. These three are 0, so we say this is upper triangular matrix. This B, C doesn't play any role. Directly A, D, F is the determinant. Even if it is, let us say, loaded here, A, 0, 0, B, C, 0, D, E, F. Then it is ACF, proto-diagonal elements. You can easily calculate now. 0 into, you have spent by first column. 0 into anything is 0, 0 into anything is 0, A into DF minus 0. It's not just for 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5. Somebody wants to write for 4 by 4, you can write it also, not a problem. A, B, C, D, 0, E, F, G, 0, 0, H, I, 0, 0, J. Then it is straight away A, E, H, J, product of the diagonal elements. I would have told this right in the beginning only because you don't have to know any in the beginning based on the original definition only we can write this. We don't have any name for this matrix, but it can be the other way also, I think. That is, I have 0, 0, A and 0, B, C and D, E, F. We don't call this upper triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix because we only take diagonals like this. We don't take this as a diagonal. But for this, I feel answer is negative of this right now. Minus ABD, I think. 0 into anything is 0, 0 into anything is 0. A into what will come? 0 minus BD minus ABD. So for 3 by 3, this 4 by 4, it may be plus 1. Okay. So even if it is like this, still it is product of this diagonal elements. But that doesn't come under this formula. That's why I'm not writing. I'm just telling what. Don't worry about this.
Sir, once again, can you explain that example, sir? Minus AEF you wrote something.
Okay, I'll just make a note of it. Okay, if you have not like lower triangle, upper triangle like this, because we only consider this as a diagonal. What if somebody takes this as a diagonal and write, let's say 0, 0, A, 0, B, C, D, E, F. For this, the determinant is product of this diagonal element with a minus. You will get a minus AB. But if it is 4 by 4, I think we'll get positive. Let us say I have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 0, H, I, 0, 0, J, 0, 0, 0. I think it is diagonal element straight away as D, G, I, J. Because I can use fourth row and expand this. I will be getting plus minus, you know. This is what fourth row, first column. So fifth row, first column is negative only. So this everything is J into this 3 by 3 determinant That is minus this now we discussed. So it will be plus. Yes. Okay. So only for this, these two are sometimes negative, sometimes positive for 3 by 3, depending on 3 by 3 or 4 by 3. Is it okay? Dheeraj?
So if we
Yes,
if
sir.
we change the diagonal elements to the opposite side, the negative sign will come, sir.
No, here negative, but here positive, na? For 3 by 3, this we don't call diagonal, but if you want to take it like that, above that are 0 or below that are 0, product of diagonal elements is a minus. But for 4 by 4, directly product of the diagonal elements. Is it okay, Kasi?
Okay, sir.
So then for odd matrices, then will it be minus, sir?
I think even for 5 by 5, and that means for this kind of things, always diagonal only. Doesn't matter any order. Okay. For these kind of things, yes, we can say for odd order like this or even order like this, you can say that.
Sir, is there any triangular matrix for 2 by 2 matrix?
Yeah, 2 by 2 is also there, triangular matrix. Let us you take A, B, C, 0. This is upper triangular matrix. But not that. I should talk about this diagonal, right? So 0. Yeah. So this is upper triangular matrix because above the diagonal elements are there, below the diagonal they're 0. That is upper triangular matrix.
Yes, sir.
I would have given that also, but it's very simple, so I did not. Okay, this would have told in the beginning because very simple from the definition. Okay, I'm erasing all this thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so don't be scared about so many properties and all. As we do questions, everything will be very clear. Okay. Now listen, I'm going to do a lot of questions. Okay. On I'll give you determinant. You don't have to tell me what is the answer of the value of the determinant. Answer is 0. I'm telling before only. I'll give the determinant. Answer is 0. But how to prove is not that you simply expand it, you'll get a big algebraic expression and you say this and this will cancel, this and this will cancel. Not like that. Using these properties in a smart way, you should tell it is 0. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
If
sir.
I don't want answer, answer is 0. I'm telling you before. Okay, I only want solution in a simple way. Okay. Prove that following determinants are 0 or value of following determinants are 0. So that value of following determinants are 0. Prove that value of following determinants. Nothing wrong in saying determinants are 0. Okay. First question. 1, 1, 1. A, B, C. B plus C, C plus A, and A plus B. Maybe it's okay. I can write any other. A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. L minus M, N minus N, N minus P. X minus Y, Y minus Z, Z minus X. You need to have enough place to write the solution. I don't want to write question and later on solution. Write the question, try it immediately. Don't have to write all the questions. I'll give time for you to write and copy.
Sir,
Yes, please.
so one doubt, sir. If in a matrix, if a matrix is like this, like 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 3, 2, 1, sir, column wise, then the determinant will be 0 or non-zero, sir?
That 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1 doesn't even matter. If one row is 0 or one column is 0, that is 0.
Oh, okay, sir. Sir, if in 0 place, if we keep 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1,
Yes.
then, sir?
As long as each row are in AP, that is 0. That is one of the question I'm going to ask. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. One or two questions, I'll give some idea, and after that you can help me out. Very first one, I am going to do this operation. Column 3 as column 3 plus column 2. Please mute yourself. Somebody is there. Okay. We discussed already, for any row I can add another row. For any column I can add another column. Determinant will not change, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
For third column, I want to add second column. Then after doing this operation, what will happen? 1, 1, 1, A, B, C. For this, if we add this, I'll get A plus B plus C. Again A plus B plus C. Again A plus B plus C. Okay. Now, in a particular row number, in a particular row or column, I can take 2 common or 3 common, 5 common, anything I can take common. So I'm going to take A plus B plus C common. When I take A plus B plus C common, I'll get 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Whenever two rows are equal or two columns are equal, that is 0. You know that. So directly that is 0. A plus B plus C into 0. So that is 0.
Sir, this is the first sum, sir.
First sum. Based on determinant properties.
Sir, again, first column is also identical, no, sir? Then.
No, just because identical, that will not be 0. Nothing like that.
Okay, sir.
Here, I want to add all the columns. Adding rows is not useful. For this, I am going to write column 1 as column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. For A minus B, when I add B minus C, when I add C minus A, what is A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus A?
0.
0. Yeah. A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus A. B minus A as it is, C minus A as it is. L minus M minus N plus N minus P, and M minus N as it is, and N minus P as it is. And X minus Y plus Y minus Z plus Z minus X plus Y minus Z as it is, Z minus X as it is. So this is 0, 0, 0.
Sir?
B minus C, M minus N, Y minus Z. Yes, please.
For first row, second column, you get L minus P, sir. In the same question.
A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, L minus M, M minus N, N minus P, X minus Y, Y minus
Yes,
N.
sir.
Okay.
L minus L, sir.
N minus L. Okay, thank you. This is N minus L. Then only it will come 0, otherwise it will not come.
Even in the first column of the answer, sir, you have to change it into.
Okay, got it. Thank you. Okay, so hereby I added third column to second, that is done anyway. You have to get by just by looking only, you have to get an idea. When I add this plus this plus this, I'll get 0. So column 1 has column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. Okay, these are just numbers I wrote in order. 2021, 2022, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Anyone want to give any idea for third question? How should I proceed?
Row 2 is row 2 minus row 1, sir. And
You want to write R2 as R2 minus R1. Okay.
R3 is R3 minus R1, sir.
R3 as R3 minus R1. Okay. All right. Okay. Third question you can do in different methods. I want to do first R3 as R3 minus R2 and R2 as R2 minus R1. One may ask in one step, please mute yourself, somebody got unmuted. Somebody may ask, in one step can I do two operations? Yes, but as long as they don't contradict each other. For example, here I am only changing third row as the third row minus second row. During this time, third row will change, but second row will not change. And here I am changing second row as second row minus first row. If I am doing this operation first, this operation later, it is a different meaning because I am changing R2 and that new R2 I should use, not the old R2. So to be a little careful. If somebody is doubtful, you do only one step, one operation once. But if you are careful, you can do maximum two operations. Definitely three operations cannot be done because here R3 changed and R2 changed. When you are trying to change R1, you will be using the new R2 and new R3, not the old one. So maximum two operations allowed with caution. Okay. So from third row, if I remove second row, this minus this is 3. From this, if I remove this, 3. From this, if I remove this, 3. From second row, if I remove first row, again I'll get 3, 3, 3. This is as it is, 2021, 2022, 2022.
Sir, one say about row 3, sir. First up.
From third row, I'm removing second row. From this, I have to remove this. From this, I have to remove this. From this, I have to remove this. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And from second row, I have to remove this. So from this, I have to remove this. From this, I have to remove this. From this, I have to remove this. None should not write. I'll write R1 as R1 minus R2 and write minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. That is wrong because already R2 changed. We cannot use old R2. Anyway, maximum two operations. It is not because these three are identical, that is 0. Because two rows are identical. They need not be 3, 3, 3. If they are 3, 6, 9 here, they are 3, 6, 9 also, no problem. Because two rows are identical, that is 0. I am not saying this is the only way. Somebody can tell slightly different. Anybody want to tell? Feel.
Sir, can't we take them and their numbers are in AP, so determinant is 0?
But that we are not proved yet, na? That if numbers are in AP, that is 0. We are not yet proved, right?
Okay, sir.
Yes, please. R2 minus?
R2 minus.
Yeah, you will get somewhat like this only, right?
1, 1.
Oh, you want to do that is column. You are saying columns and you are talking about rows. Yeah, you can do that. From third column, if you remove second column, you will get 1, 1, 1. From second column, remove first column, you will get 1, 1, 1. Two columns are equal. Okay, 0. Yes, I done for rows. You can also do by columns. Yes, you are right. Okay, I want to write one more method for this. You can do by columns. Nothing wrong. Somebody can write it. I directly want to do this. R3 as R3 plus R1 minus 2R. For third row, I want to add first row and I can remove second row anytime I want. I want to remove twice. Why I am doing this, you know? This plus this, is it double of this?
We'll get 0, sir. Second row.
0. This plus this is double of this. This plus this is double of this. You will get third row as 0 because we are changing third row. So when you do this, 2021, 2022, 2023. 2024, 2025, 2026, 0, 0, 0, it is 0. Okay, you can do like that also. Okay, let me give fourth question quite similar to this because we'll be using repeatedly this set when things are in AP each row. Okay, so I'm going to tell A, B, C are in AP. X, Y, Z are in AP with some other common difference. Need not be same common difference. And L, M, N are in AP. Here all are in one AP. These are three different APs. Even then that is 0. So now you take det of A, B, C, X, Y, Z, L, M, N. Here it is not worth subtracting rows, so better will be the columns. Okay. So in method 1, I want to write column 3 as column 3 minus column 2, column 2 as column 2 minus column 1. Or you can even write the other way. Write column 1 as column 1 minus column 2, column 2 as column 2 minus column 3. Either way is fine. Which way we write? It's okay. Sorry, I'm keep changing it. I will get C minus B, Z minus Y, N minus M. First column, third column, remove second column. Second column as it is, but I'm changing it as column 2 as column 2 minus column 1. B minus A, Y minus X, M minus A, X, L. Arithmetic progression, I think all of you know definition that this minus this is same as this minus this, and it is called common difference, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Whether these two are equal, I don't know, but I know this and this are equal, this and this are equal, this and this are equal. Even in fact, right here I can write B minus A is equal to C minus B. Here I can write Y minus X is equal to Z minus Y. And here I can write M minus L is equal to N minus M. Okay, these two are common difference of first AP, these two are common difference of second AP, these two are common difference of third AP, but they're equal. So it is equal to 0 since column 2 equal to column 3. If you want, you can write two columns are equal. C2 means not number element C2, column 2 equal to column 3. Method 2, somebody can write as column 3 plus column 1 minus 2 times column 2. Then what will happen to A, B, C, X, Y, Z, L, M, N? That is A, X, L, B, Y, M. I want to add column and then remove this. So C plus A minus 2B, Z plus X minus 2Y, and L plus N minus 2N. All of you know, whenever three things are in AP, A plus C is 2B.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And X plus Z, yeah, arithmetic mean. X plus Z is 2Y, L plus N is 2M. So this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. You will get AXL BYM 0, 0, 0. One column is 0, so 0.
Sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, in method 1, both of the in 3 APs common difference is different, no, sir?
Yeah, but no problem. This and this, are they equal separately?
Yes, sir.
These two are equal?
Yes, sir.
These two are equal, right?
Yes, sir.
Can I say now this whole column is equal? I'm not saying these elements are equal, but this column equal to this column. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
You may get 2 here, 5 here, 100 here. Here also 2, 500, 2, 500, 2, 500. Two columns are same, so that is.
Okay, sir.
That's why I wrote here. B minus A equal to C minus B, Y minus X equal to Z minus A.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
The value of the determinant will be 0 for only when rows are in AP, or even is it applicable for the columns to be in AP?
Only each row separately in AP, that is 0. Or each column separately in AP, that is 0. It is not necessary that both should be there or only for rows. Anything for rows, it is also always true for columns. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because if the columns are in AP, you transpose it, then it will be rows are in AP, na?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what if rows are in GP?
Yeah, we'll come to that. If they're in GP, with separately each row in GP, that is not 0. But the whole 9 numbers are in one GP, that is 0. That is my next question. Fifth question, I want to write AR square. AR cube, AR power 4, AR power 5. In fact, why? They need not be in AP. Each row is in GP, but with same common ratio. That is good enough. That is better. Let us take B, BR, BR square. C, CR, CR square. These are in AP, these are in GP, these are in GP, these are in GP, but common ratio is same. That is important. If it is R1 here, R2 here, R3 here, that will not be GP.
So we'll take R as common either from the second or third column.
Yes. You can simply take R common here or R square common here. They will come same. Somebody can take A common here, B common here, C common here. All three rows will come same. Either way. Okay, so, okay, fourth question, method 1, everybody completed, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this method 1, okay, take R2 common from, R common from column 2. Not necessary to take from column 3, but if you want, you can take R square common from column 3. It will become R into R square into A, because whenever you take something common, you have to multiply to outside. ABC, ABC, ABC. 2 columns are only, that is 0. What to speak of 3 columns, it will be 0. Or you can say, take A common from R1. Row, capital R1. B common from row 2. And C common from row 3. Then it will become A common, B common, C common. 1 R, R square, again 1 R, R square, 1 R, R square. 2 rows are equal, so that is it. One x plus 1 by x whole square and x minus 1 by x whole square. 1 y plus 1 by 5 whole square, y minus 1 by y whole square. 1 z plus 1 by z whole square and z minus 1 by z whole square. Okay, this that is also 0. Think about it, why it is.
Sir, C2 is equal to C2 plus C3.
If you do C2 plus C3, what will come? A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square is 2 into A square plus B square. You'll get 2 into x square plus 1 by x square.
Sir.
Sir, it's common because column 2 and column 3 are same, sir.
No, this is plus and this is minus. How they are same? They are not same.
If we simplify that, x into 1 by x will be cancelled, no, sir?
No, how can you simplify? Yeah, it may cancel, but what?
Okay, sir.
When I cancel, 1 will come now, 2 will come, plus 2 will come, here minus 2 will come.
Sir, C3 equals C3 minus C2 and C2 equals C2 minus C1.
From this you want to remove this, and from this you want to remove this.
Yes, sir.
They may not come same. You can remove it, but they may not come same. I think one of them is sufficient. If you do it, it will come. But
Sir, one
don't
doubt,
need...
sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, so when elements are in GP also, the determinant will always be 0, no sir?
No. When elements, these are in GP, these are in GP, these are in GP with same common ratio only. Whereas in AP, there can be different common difference also.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So same common ratio or then only GP. Okay.
Yes,
understood.
correct.
0.
Sir, actually C2 equals C2 and C2 minus C1, it's enough.
Is sufficient, right?
Yes, sir.
C2 is C2 minus C3 is sufficient.
Yes, sir.
We cannot take x plus 1 by x whole square common as such because now somebody is asking in the chart. Because when you're taking common means you are dividing everywhere. You can divide here, but how will you divide here? How will you divide here? You cannot take common. In a product, you can take common, not in addition. Okay.
Sir, can we take? Okay.
For example, if I have a plus b here, a plus c here, a plus d here in a dead, I cannot take a common. Is it clear, Ashita? All right.
Sir?
Okay, yes, please.
We can take column 3 as C3 minus C2.
Yes. It will. Main thing is that you have to use a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4ab. All of you know that, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, can we take C2 as C2 minus C1 and C3 as C3 plus 2 times C1?
You can take it, but I felt we don't have to involve C1 at all. This minus this is constant. You can see that. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4ab. Based on that, x plus 1 by x whole square minus x minus 1 by x whole square is 4 into x into 1 by x, which is 4, because x is getting cancelled. Similarly, y plus 1 by y whole square minus y minus 1 by y whole square is 4 into y into 1 by v, which is also 4 because y is getting cancelled. Similarly, this. So I am going to write column 2 as column 2 minus column 3. That's all. Then the determinant is 1, 1, 1. If you want, you can write the step x plus 1 by whole square minus x minus 1 by whole square, y plus 1 by y whole square minus y minus y whole square, and z plus 1 by z whole square minus z minus 1 by z whole square, and column 3 as it is. X minus 1 by x whole square, y minus 1 by y whole square, and z minus 1 by z whole square. So this is 1, 1, 1. This is 4, 4, 4. This is x minus 1 by x whole square, y minus 1 by y whole square, z minus 1 by z whole square. One column is a multiple of another column. If you want, you can take 4 common also and say 2 columns are equal. Anything is okay. Take 4 common, you get 1, 1, 1. Again 1, 1, 1. X minus 1 by x whole square, y minus 1 by y whole square, z minus 1 by z whole square. 2 columns are same 0, or 1 column is a multiple of another. I think different people said something like this only. Okay, somebody said column 2 minus 2 column 1, whatever. Ultimately, it belongs to same thing. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think Sarath, what you are saying is subtract 2 from this and add 2 from here so that these two will come same, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is also okay. From column 2, you can remove 2 times column 1. For column 3, add 2 times column 1. 2 columns will come same. Yes, that's also nice. You'll get x square plus 1 by x square here, x square plus 1 by x square here, y square, and similarly that. Okay, like this, I'll give some more questions tomorrow so that we'll get a better idea about basically just manipulating the formulas this way, that way, and trying to get 0. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I want to clarify your homework doubts now. Whatever time it may take, 10-15 minutes, and then we'll start. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, please.
20. Yes, sir. This is Dheeraj, sir.
Just let me first discuss exercise 3C, then I come to mains, I'll ask one by one. At that time you can tell me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just I'm opening that. Okay, you can see on the screen matrices and determinants. This is exercise 3C. Any doubt about the first three questions on the screen?
No, sir.
No,
sir.
Very first question, there are two ways somebody can do it. You can multiply A into B transpose, find the answer, and then transpose it. Or can I say AB transpose whole transpose is BA transpose?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So somebody can find BA transpose also and directly get the answer. Either way is okay. Okay, first three questions, no doubt. 4 or 5, anybody any doubt?
No.
No, sir.
Very simple.
No,
I think
sir.
similar the same question is there in mains also with that. Okay. 6 anyway, I don't think anybody will have doubt. If you want to prove it, find A transpose equal to minus. Okay, section 2, you can see 4 questions on the screen. Anybody any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
The last fourth question in the class we discussed as a part of mains question. I said don't do by example, directly transpose it, you'll get same thing, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, so exercise 3C is simple. Everybody can. Okay. Now.
Sir,
Yes, please.
in exercise 3B, last question.
Yeah, I told you to remind, right? Okay, I'll come back to it. Let me finish mains. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now what is that? Mains material.
Sir, we can also ask doubts from advanced material.
See, advanced material, they're not in the order. So when we'll come there, I'll discuss all the odd numbers. After that, regularly I'll discuss even numbers in order. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In advanced material, doubts did I already discuss? No. Up to 20 plus. The mains material, sorry.
Sir, but still some questions in even numbers. You told that you will explain some options confusions there.
Yeah, no, that's why I'm showing you even numbers. Okay. So up to 20 even numbers also I discussed doubts. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So up to 20 I don't have to discuss. Coming to this. Okay. You can see on the screen all of you 22, 24. Anybody any doubt?
No, sir.
They're very simple.
Sir, I have doubt in 14 question.
14 backward. Okay. Oh, yeah, 14. Yeah, I think I did not discuss even numbers from the beginning. Let me just ask from the beginning. Sorry.
Sir, 14th one quadratic expression will come, sir.
Okay, okay.
But
I think
we
if you
can't
do
solve it by splitting the middle term, sir. We should solve it by quadratic formula. Then
minus
only
b
answer
plus
will
or
come.
minus that.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir. That only, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
got it. Okay, just for the, because somebody may have doubt somewhere I'm asking, even though they're simple. Second question on the screen, anybody any doubt?
No.
Just one minute. No doubt, no? Okay. Fourth question, anybody any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Okay, sixth one.
No, sir.
8th one? No. 10th one, anybody any doubt?
No, sir.
12th? It is a single element. 1 by 4 into 4 by 1 should be 1 by 1. Okay, so only I don't even have to find 30. Among the options, only one matrix is 1 by 1 order, right?
Yes.
Then what is the value of I so small a?
I is a root of -1, square root of a negative number -1, but I square is -1. It is a complex number, it's not a real number. Okay, somebody is asking for 14, so I'll just write it. Okay. Okay, I think we'll quickly finish doubts in 5 minutes and then we'll close. So somebody is looking for the time. Okay, it is x4 -1 and 210 102 024 into x4 -1 equal to actually even equal to 0 should be given in one matrix. Forgot to be next time printing it. See, we wanted to give you printed material, okay, but it is in the process of printing. Because they're also working half day only, okay, the printing press people. Whenever the material reaches the college, definitely will inform you so that you or some of your parents can go and collect. All right.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I can multiply these two matrices first, or I can multiply these two. Associative law. I can multiply BC first and then A from the left, or AB first and then C from the right. Anything is okay. Let me multiply these two. This is 1 by 3 matrix. This is 3 by 3 matrix. So I'll be getting 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means 1 row and 3 columns. So I'll be getting like this: one element here, one here, one here. First row into first column. What I'll get? 2x plus 4. And this is 0. Next, this into this, what I will get? X minus 2. This is 0. This into this is 0 here. I will be getting 8 minus 4. 4 2s are 8 minus 4. Into x 4 minus 1 equal to a matrix containing 0. Okay. Now, this into this, this into this, this into this. 2x plus 4 into x plus x minus 2 into 4 plus 4 into minus 1 equal to 0. This is 2x square. I can remove this and equate it. Plus 4x minus 8 minus 4 equal to 0. 2x square plus 8x minus 12 equal to 0. Which is x square plus 4x minus 6 equal to 0. Now I cannot find the root by splitting the middle term. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac, which is 24 by 2. That is minus 4 plus or minus 24 plus 8, 32. 32 is 4 root 2. Okay, by 2, which is minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 2. Or you can write root 8. Is the answer right?
Sir, answer is minus 2 plus or minus root 10.
Root 10, huh? I wrote some subtraction wrong.
Yes, sir.
Can we write 2 root 10?
24 plus 16 is 40 only. Sorry, I only wrote wrong. 40 is 2 root 10.
2 root
And this
10.
is, yeah, thank you. This is root 10. Yeah, that is 24 plus 16, that is 40. Okay, so one thing is multiplying the matrices carefully. Finally understanding it is a 1 by 1 matrix and equating to 0 give you a quadratic equation. Then in that quadratic equation, minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4 is by 2 a formula.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is 14. Okay, on the screen 16. Is there anybody any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Simplify a square. Simplify a square and equate it to identity matrix. You will get it. I can, yeah. Okay, coming to 18. One should not think B must be identity matrix. B can be even 2 times identity matrix, 3 times identity matrix also. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In fact, you can really find AB, really find BA, and when you solve it, I think finally you will get A equal to B.
Sir, 8th one D, sir, answer.
This is 18th one, okay?
Yes, sir, 18th one. Because it was covering the screen, one is not visible, sir.
Yeah,
only
okay,
8 is
okay.
visible.
Yeah, because of, okay. Some line is hiding it. Okay,
Yes.
but not option D, because in option D they say finite number of B's, but option is infinite number of B's. Now, Bombay is the answer.
Oh, okay, sir.
Option
B
B,
and
sir.
do look similar. One is about finite, one is about infinite. Okay.
Sir,
Anybody want me to write a solution for 18?
no, sir.
Yes,
It's
have
okay.
answered.
Somebody is
The
asking.
20th one.
Yeah, I saw that
20th
in the
one.
chat. I'll tell you. Okay. 18th also somebody is asking, so let me do that. Eighteenth, what is the matrix? First one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh?
Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So 18th one, anybody can easily guess. Okay, B is equal to some K into identity matrix. Okay, because A into Ki will be Ka, and Ki into A also will be Ka. They will be equal, so I can take this as B, and K can be any natural number. That is a guessing one, and infinite case are there. Otherwise, simply take 1, 2, 3, 4 into A0, 0B. And here A0, 0B into 1, 2, 3, 4. When I multiply first row into first column, I'll get A. First row into second column is 2B. Please mute yourself. Somebody got unmuted. This is 3A and this is 4B. When I do this, this is coming A. This is coming 2A. This is coming 3B. This is coming 4B. No problem with A equal to A. They are correct. No problem with 4B equal to 4B. You will get, when you equate these two, 2B equal to 2A. And equating these two, we'll get 3A equal to 3B. So the only requirement is A equal to B, nothing else. But when you put A equal to B, the matrix B will become A0, 0, A. In the place of B also I am writing A, which is A into identity matrix. And A can be anything. 1, 0, 0, 1. A into identity matrix. So, okay, so there are so many matrices, not just identity matrix. 2 times that, 3 times that, 4 times that, which we would have guessed easily, but we are proving it subjectively. Okay, whoever has doubt about 18th question, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyway, tomorrow onwards I will not extend so much. Today I'm just, I thought
Sir,
I'll finish that out.
20th question, briefly, can you explain, sir, please?
Yeah, I'm not stopping the class. Okay. Okay, 20th, A plus B whole square, don't write A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay. If you want, you can write A square plus AB plus BA plus B square, or really find A plus B. I'll tell you about that. Okay, I'm going to erase this whole thing. I think after 20 there are not many doubts, right?
The 28th one.
Okay, no, I'm saying there are not too many, 1 or 2. So 20th
Yes, sir.
one.
After 20 transpose concept was easy, sir.
Okay. So method 1 for this, they gave A plus B whole square equal to A square plus B square.
Sir, that means AB is equals to 0, no, sir?
No, AB plus BA equal to 0, not AB. Okay. A plus B into B plus A is A square plus B square. When I expand this, I'll get AB plus A square plus B square plus BA equal to A square plus B square. We cannot write AB equal to BA, it's not correct. Okay. But A square can be cancelled, B square can be cancelled. We can only write it as AB plus BA is null matrix. So let us find AB, let us find BA. What is matrix A here?
Sir, 1 minus 1.
1 minus 1, 2 minus 1.
Okay. 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1. And B is x1, y minus 1. And coming to B, x1, y minus 1. And A is 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1. A is null matrix, so all zeros. Okay, just normal multiplication. This into this is x minus y. This into this is 1 plus 1, 2. This into this is 2x minus y. This into this is 2 plus 1, 3. And here it is x plus 2. Here it is minus x minus 1. Here it is y minus 2. Here it is minus y plus 1 equal to null matrix. When I add them now, this plus this is 2x minus y plus 2. This plus this is minus x plus 1. This plus this is 2x minus 2. This plus this is 4 minus y is null matrix. I'll get 4 equations but 2 unknowns. I think all will give me same value. This will give me y equal to 4. Okay, let me write those equations. Lack of place I'm writing here. 2x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Minus x plus 1 equal to 0. 2x minus 2 equal to 0. 4 minus y equal to 0. All will give me x equal to 1 and y equal to 4. Okay.
Sir, can we do by finding a square, b square, and a plus
b whole square? Yes. First we add a plus b really, find square of that, find a square separately, b square separately, add them, and then equate also we'll get it.
Yes.
That's why I wrote method 1. We'll also do that.
Okay.
So 28.
Yeah. Okay, so this 20th question, is it okay where you really add a plus b, square it, and really find a square separately, b square separately, add them, and then equate the corresponding elements. So again, we'll get 4 equations for 2 unknowns. We'll get same answer. Anybody want me to write that solution, or you want to do it yourself?
No, sir, we don't answer.
Okay, they are simple, but just for the sake of asking. Anybody any doubt about 22 or 24 or 26? No doubt. Yeah, 28 is just a little bit about progressions only. Okay, 28 aij, they gave it as I into I plus j. Okay. But based on this aii, the diagonal element, I can write I into I plus I. which is I into 2i, which will be 2i square. That means A11 will be 2 into 1 square. A22 will be 2 into 2 square. A33 will be 2 into 3 square. If you want trace of the matrix, it is sum of the diagonal elements. Sigma aii from I equal to 1 to n. That means A11 plus A22 plus A33, so on up to an. A11 here it is 2 into 1 square, 2 into 2 square, 2 into 3 square, so on up to 2 into n square. Even without writing all this, just from this only you can tell A11 is this, A22 is this, A33 is this, Ann is this, sum of all the diagonal elements. Now if you took 2 common, it is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, so on up to n square. It is just a formula that everybody should know. Sum of squares of natural numbers, first n natural numbers, is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. All of you know this formula?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 2 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, just divide with 3. I think answer is left like this. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, after 28, anybody in transpose, any doubts are there?
No, sir.
Very simple, 31, 33, 35. And what about this symmetric and skew symmetric?
No doubt.
I think some of the question already discussed. Okay, anybody up to 44, any doubts left?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, then it is too late today. We'll end the class. Thank you very much.